Welcome back, JDs and Littlemen and all my money makers out there. Good to have you guys here with us. I hope you guys are doing well in the cryptocurrency market. If your bags aren't loaded, we have a red day today. That is delightfully beautiful for you guys. I'm going to make my screen a little bit smaller. Don't leave the video, please. Yeah, smash that like button and we're going to get into this real quick. I've got a couple of tokens for you guys right here that I'm investing in that I think have pulled back to decent buy points. As you can see, most of the cryptocurrency market is completely red today, but not a massive red day. Like most of it is like 1 to 5% down, with the odd ones that are up a little bit, like Internet Computer, which is actually doing pretty phenomenal right now. I think Internet Computer was at like 580 yesterday, so that's pretty cool. But on to what I think can do really well right here. Celestia has pulled back quite decently. Let's pull up Celestia right here. Celestia was just down here. Should have made the video a little bit earlier this morning because this thing was at $13. We could have bought in at $13 after this thing was basically just at 15. It was almost at 15. It was actually higher than 14.53. If you looked on Coinbase, it probably got almost exactly to $15. And now we're looking at this thing was down at below 13. So you guys were getting a deal this morning, and it still is sort of down, like sort of down. It's not down by a lot, but this thing can really go. I think that this project at a 2 billion market cap, like I believe that I could see Celestia probably at like $50, $75 to $100. So you guys definitely are getting in early on this thing. I'm not saying, like, it's not financial advice. I'm not saying buy into this bad boy right now. But perhaps soon you guys will have a golden opportunity to do something like that. I'm going to close out my thing here so you guys can't see my amounts. That's for my Patreon subscribers. But I will show you what I also think is down today. Let's pull up. Ooh, Osmosis is doing really good today. Check out Osmosis. That is a good project. What is down today that we can show you guys? Illuvium is down today. I love to pull up Illuvium for you guys because I think that this one could do really well. It is like it's the top of the whole gaming sector. This game is supposed to, and people are really rooting for this game too, because if one game does well, all of the games, it opens the door for all of the games to actually have legitimacy. You know what I mean? Like once we have crypto gaming make it, right? Now we're sitting at $97. As you can see, we ripped out of this from the 30 some mark, so we're up like a 3x, but we have pulled back because if you guys look at the 1 month over here, this thing was at like $120 on the 1 month. So being at $97, we're down $23 from the high, and look at this. This is like $1,800 up here, and the all-time high down here says $2,800, which I don't think this is real, by the way, this $2,800, but this is real. This is real. This really was an $1,800 crypto. Maybe it broke $2,000 at one given point. This is like a 20x from where it's at right now. I do think this is a good buy point. Not financial advice. I'm holding 6 of these tokens. I will disclose that, how many I have of that one right there. What else is pulled back quite nicely? That might be a good buy. Kujira has pulled back. That could be a potentially good buy. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say Cosmos is actually has pulled back some. I will say Cosmos has been consolidating for a couple days here after a run to $13. This one, if you look at Coinbase, this one almost hit $13 on Coinbase, so you're down about $1.50 from the top. It is at a 4.3 billion market cap though, and the high was only like 42, so you're looking at like a 4x. But I think maybe you could see like a 7 to 10x on this bad boy right here. A good buy point, probably $10, but this could be a good buy point too, because who knows if you'll see $10 again. But last but not least, I'll give you guys a really risky one. Let's shoot you guys down with a risky one here. I picked up more of this yesterday. Bought back in more of this bad boy here, somewhere here yesterday. But this one, if you want to look at the monthly right here, this thing was at like almost, it was like 1.1. I don't know, it's about 20%, maybe 15% from where it's at right now. If you want to look at this thing, it is trying to fire out here, like out on the chart. Like if you looked at this, it's still at the bottom of the chart. 70 cents. This thing was at 70 cents, and we're less than a penny right now. So go what you will with that this is a 70x from all-time high, and with our 212,000 market cap. And this is a game, a crypto gaming project, play to earn. You definitely check out the website, and inside of the website, they actually have YouTube links to show you all the gameplay, the weapons, the NFTs. It's really cool. This game is super underrated and can absolutely explode, in my opinion. I'm invested. I have 100,000 tokens. I'll disclose that to you guys. My Patreon subscribers got this one real early. We were getting in down here. We were getting in like the threes. We didn't get in all the way at the bottom. We weren't getting in like down there, but we got in pretty low on this bad boy, and we're up like 3x on this one right now. So I hope you guys got value out of this. Hope these projects are something like what you guys are interested in looking at right now. Earth is also down 10% on the week. You guys take a peek at what I've got in my holdings here. I won't tell you guys how much I have of them, but yeah, I mean, like, these are some good projects. Also think Injective is a great project right now. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this, because I'm going to break down things like Injective, all the crypto gaming projects. I'm going to bring early projects to you guys, and for $5 you guys can join my Patreon, and you would have seen projects like Injective before they pumped, and you'd have made some serious cash. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Have an amazing day and take care.